A very good morning everyone, Jorne here with the last London session video of this week, and today is the 24th of June 2022. Before I start, as always, I would like to highlight that this is not financial advice, this is just the way that I see the markets. I would like to share with all of you. Yeah, let's go directly into it, and I do have the dollar index as usual in front of me. And let's start with the daily time frame. And we can actually see that again yesterday there was lots of volatility, yeah, but from a daily perspective, it was quite kind of, yeah, I wouldn't say relaxed day, and because if we go to the 1 hour, we could see there was lots of volatility, but from a daily perspective, this is not really a candle that we want to see if we are bullish or if we are bearish. Okay, so this is definitely not a price action that we want to see, and the fact that we are kind of consolidating now already for a couple of days, I think means that we are that the market is preparing for the next big move, whether it's going to be to the upside or whether it's going to be to the downside. Yeah? So lots of buy and sell orders are getting into the market, so it's going to be very interesting the next 2 weeks. Okay, so let's go to the 1 hour now. Let's go to the 1 hour. And remember, when I made my video yesterday, we were in this consolidation area, and I said that I was expecting dollar to run higher than trade lower, or to trade lower to then trade higher. I still have my arrows over here, and what we could see was a very strong dollar. Yeah, at 8 a.m. London opened a very strong dollar, and we traded significantly higher, and I was expecting this area to hold. To then trade lower. That was also one of the main reasons why I was looking to sell Euro USD. I was looking to sell Euro USD. I'm sorry, to buy Euro USD, because I was expecting here, you guys probably have seen it in the Discord, I shared the buy idea on Euro USD because I was expecting this level to hold, because I said we have liquidity under here. I would like to see the market to run the liquidity, but what actually happened is we run through this area and we trade back to this premium price area. So that was a stop loss for me, unfortunately. But okay, I knew that in the afternoon we would probably get something, and the fact that we during mid London session, yeah, we trade into this area and then we traded lower. And remember what my arrow said, or what I said in the morning, we will probably trade higher then trade lower, and that's exactly what happened. But something very important, do you remember, guys, this one? And this is the gap area. Gap areas are for me seen as true support, true resistance. We rejected from this area, but we also so we trade high, but now we are rejecting from this area. So we are now, it's a bit double. Yeah, what are we gonna do? I'm probably not gonna enter any trade today, or I need to see clear price action, because if we stay below this red box, then we are bearish. But also, if we stay above this green box, then we are bullish. I did not forget that we have liquidity up here. Then we do have liquidity up here. Yeah, so we might see, and if I see something like this happening, then I might enter or participate in a market idea. But probably we might see more bearish momentum. This was yesterday's low created during the New York session. So we might actually run this, because if we draw this box, we can see this is equal lows. So we might run the liquidity here, and then we might find some kind of supports in this area, where we then can see maybe a pullback into this price action area over here, buy to sell on the 1 hour. So this is a play that I'm expecting today. Is it gonna happen? I don't know, because if we reach this area first, then we can actually already maybe see more bearish momentum coming in. Okay, so I hope that we will not reach this area over here, and that we will now slightly trade lower, and then in this area then we can look for some strong dollar currency pairs to trade. Okay, and let's go to GBP USD. GBP USD is, yeah, I was a bit frustrated yesterday. I was actually looking to sell it over here, but yeah, then I decided to pick Euro USD. However, both would have been a loss. But yeah, if you look at it now, then we could see that we failed Yeah, we have a high over here, we have a lower high over here, and we have another lower high. So from a technical perspective, this is bearish price action, right? High, lower high, lower high. This is bearish price action. So if I see that we will trade higher, yeah, because we do have liquidity up here, and we fail to break above this one, I'm going to draw a line. If we fail to break above this one, yeah, I'm going to mark it up as a red line. If we fail to break above this one, then we might see more bearish momentum, yeah, probably into this area over here, somewhere over here. So this is something that I'm looking at for GBP USD today. Euro USD will probably be the same. Not gonna lie, I haven't even looked at Euro USD this morning. Euro USD is probably gonna be the same. I'm gonna delete all the markups here. Okay, so what we can probably see here is Euro USD trading back into this premium price action area, and this one actually looks better as GBP USD. So what we might see is, as you can see, we do have liquidity up here, so that we will run the liquidity and then trade lower. Yeah, and then trade lower. That would be a great play, and this is something that I would like to see. We run this was the Monday open, we run the liquidity, we trade higher, we clear the liquidity up here, we trade significantly lower, we trade now back into this premium price action area. So I believe that if we get back into this area, then we might look for another leg to the downside. But it all depends, of course, on dollar index. As I said, whenever we get to see dollar trading lower into this green box and this green area, then we might see that bullish relief, which will lead to bearish GBP USD and bearish Euro USD. Good guys, this was it. Hope this video was useful. If you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me in the Discord. As always, I will be very happy to answer all the questions. And as always as well, please trade safe and see you in the next one. Ciao.